What if I told you that you could earn a double-digit yield on one of the hottest AI cryptocurrencies on the market, all while benefiting from its long-term price appreciation? This isn't a degen yield farm with insane risks. This is a core function of a top-tier protocol that rewards you for securing the network. I'm talking about staking Bittensor or TAO. The recent explosion in staking demand is creating a massive supply shock, and those who understand it are setting themselves up for potentially life-changing compounding gains. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete guide to TAO staking, how it works, why it's so powerful, and a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get started today. This is the set it and forget it strategy that could make you rich. Welcome back. So let's start with the basics. How does TAO staking actually work? Unlike a typical proof-of-stake network where you stake your coins to a validator to earn inflation rewards, TAO staking is a bit more nuanced and frankly more interesting. In the Bittensor ecosystem, the network is made up of various subnets. Each subnet is a specialized machine learning market focused on a specific task like text generation, image analysis, or financial forecasting. These subnets are run by validators who are responsible for maintaining the quality and integrity of the AI models within their subnet. As a TAO holder, you can delegate or stake your TAO tokens to a validator of your choice. By doing so, you are essentially casting a vote of confidence in that validator and their subnet. In return for your stake, you earn a portion of TAO rewards that are issued to that validator. The rewards are generated from the network inflation, which is distributed to the subnets based on their performance and value to the network. This is a crucial point. The yield is not just empty inflation. It is tied to the real productive activity of the network. You are earning a share of the value created by decentralized AI economy that Bittensor is building. This makes the yield far more sustainable and meaningful than what you find in many other protocols. The concept of earning yield is great, but the real magic of TAO staking lies in the supply lockup effect. This is the supply shock thesis that we've touched on before, and it's one of the most bullish factors for TAO's long-term price. Every TAO token that is staked is effectively taken out of the circulating supply. It's locked up, securing the network, and not available to be sold on the open market. Right now, a significant and rapidly growing percentage of the total TAO supply is being staked. Why? Because the staking APY is very attractive, and holders are realizing that the best way to play the long game with TAO is to stake it and earn more TAO. This creates a classic supply squeeze. On one hand, you have a decreasing available supply as more and more tokens get locked up in staking. On the other hand, you have a growing demand from new investors, institutions, and developers who need TAO to participate in the network. What happens when decreasing supply meets increasing demand? The price has only one way to go: up. We've seen this play out with other major assets. When Ethereum launched its staking contract, the massive amount of ETH that was locked up was a major catalyst for its bull run. The same happened with Solana. The supply shock created by staking is a proven recipe for explosive price growth, and TAO is following that exact playbook. So, you're convinced. You want to start earning yield and contributing to the TAO supply shock. How do you actually do it? I'm going to walk you through a practical step-by-step guide. First, you need to decide between custodial and non-custodial staking. Custodial staking means you use a centralized exchange or a third-party service to stake on your behalf. It's easier, but you don't control your own keys. Non-custodial staking means you stake directly from your own wallet, giving you full control. For decentralization and security, I always recommend the non-custodial route. To stake non-custodially, you'll need a compatible wallet, like the official Bittensor wallet or a third-party wallet that supports TAO. Once you have your TAO in your wallet, you'll need to choose a validator. There are many community-run websites that list all the available validators, along with their performance metrics and fee structures. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable validator with a strong track record. Once you've chosen a validator, the process is as simple as going to the staking portal, selecting your validator, and delegating your TAO. You'll have to sign a transaction in your wallet, and that's it. You are now officially staking TAO and earning rewards. It's important to be aware of the risks. While TAO staking is generally safe, there is a small risk of a validator being slashed for bad behavior, which could result in a loss of some of your stake tokens. This is why choosing a reputable validator is so important. Also, be aware of any lockup periods. Some staking services may require you to lock your tokens for a certain period of time. TAO staking is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term holder strategy. The real power of this approach lies in the compounding of gains over time. You are not only earning more TAO tokens through your staking rewards, but the value of each of those tokens is also likely to increase as the network grows and the supply shock takes effect. This is the set it and forget it beauty of staking. You are aligning yourself with the long-term success of the protocol. You are becoming a part owner of the network, not just a short-term speculator. For a project with the fundamental strength of Bittensor, this is an incredibly powerful position to be in. My personal strategy is to stake the majority of my TAO holdings. I view it as the core of my long-term AI crypto portfolio. I'm not concerned with short-term price fluctuations because I'm confident in the long-term vision and the powerful tokenomics of the project. I'm simply focused on accumulating as much TAO as possible through staking rewards and DCAing on major dips. TAO staking is more than just a way to earn passive income. It is a strategic investment in the future of decentralized AI. By staking your TAO, you are not only earning a double-digit yield, but you are also actively contributing to a supply shock that could send the price to new all-time highs. It's a strategy that combines the best of both worlds: income generation and long-term capital appreciation. It's the ultimate set it and forget it play for one of the most promising crypto projects on the market today. So, now I want to hear from you. Are you staking your TAO? What has your experience been like? If you're not staking, what's holding you back? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the world of crypto investing. Stay safe and happy staking.